Which alphabet is this, kids? It's P. P for princess. Today we will learn all the alphabet from A to Z. A, E. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for carrot. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jungle. J for jungle. K. K for king. K for king. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. P. P for princess. P for princess. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T for trees. T for trees. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for egg. Z. Z for Jew. Z for Jew. Now repeat with me, kids. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. N. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video.